Hello everyone, Dr. Amrik here. Today I am in University of NIS, Faculty of Medicine. So now I will meet you one of parents. They came from Nigeria and their child graduated from Faculty of Medicine in NIS. So I will introduce with them and they will give the reviews and everything about their child study and their whole years of the experience here.
My name is Dr. Nicholas Dusun. I came all the way from Ibadan, Nigeria to attend the graduation ceremony of my daughter, who was awarded the day before yesterday the MD degree in medicine. So she's now a medical doctor. She graduated from University of NIS. The ceremony was a beautiful one, just like the university is. I've gone around the university today and I can see for myself that the university is a nice one, it's a pleasant one, it's a beautiful campus, which I think we have impacted all of them that are graduating from this place. And I learned that most of the graduates are in other European countries serving as medical doctor, especially after their graduation, their internship, and their professional certification from either Serbia or other countries that they may want.
Yes, sir. Now I want to ask you about your daughter, Josephine, that when her journey started thinking about Serbia and which year she got transferred here and how was your experience that she was studying here?
Thank you. Josephine started her medical student journey in Ukraine. But with the Russian-Ukraine crisis, she had to evacuate the country. Although the university asked them to continue online, but I felt, how will a medical student be learning online? She had already completed part 4 in Ukraine, going to part 5. Unfortunately, with the advent of the war, she had to smuggle herself out of Ukraine to Romania. Came back home with some of her friends. She was in the house in Nigeria and we started looking for a way out. Before, fortunately for us, Dr. Amrik introduced to us University of NIS among other universities. So, and what I did was to do under background check on University of NIS through my own research on the net, looking at the university environment, the faculty, among others. Eventually, I asked her to come over to Serbia. And she didn't just come alone, she came with some of her friends from Ukraine. So the 4 of them came to Serbia, and 3 of them were given admission in University of NIS. And I thank God, although they had to go and start from year 4 again. The other day had gone over in Ukraine, but that notwithstanding, today they are now proud medical doctors. They succeeded and they graduated from University of NIS with flying colors. And with the award of the certificate, it means they are now qualified to be called medical doctors.
So sir, I want to ask you, will you recommend Dr. Amrik or Sun Education Company for the students that they can contact us for the future education and to becoming a doctor?
Thank you very much. I think I can easily do that. I will give everybody that I know that recommendation that Dr. Amrik and his firm will do a good job. In fact, for me, I told him that I'm even ready to partner with him so that a lot of Nigerians and other Africans who are serious of getting medical education, especially medicine, dentistry, and nursing, can easily be facilitated to come to Serbia, because we know that they will get quality education. I agree the official language in Serbia is Serbian, but their courses are taught in English language. I've met the sub-dean today, the vice-dean, and I'm happy. As a professor, he taught brilliantly what they are doing. And yesterday, I was in a webinar with one of the professors again, and I can just recommend them that this is an ideal way to go for you to have European medical education at a price that will not be too high for you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for thanking me.